Learn today. Hello friends, today we are going to look at the topic length, weight, capacity and temperature for grade 2 class 2. This video is very helpful for preparing for International Math Olympiad and other competitive examinations. Not only that, the challenging questions in this video helps to improve the thinking skills in children. Which of the following blocks is the lightest? So option A 5 kg block, option B 10 kg block, option C 2 kg block, option D 3 kg block. From the blocks we can see that 10 kg is the heaviest and the lightest is 2 kg. So the answer is option C. 2 kg block is the lightest of all the blocks. Room temperature is 5 degrees Celsius less than the temperature shown on the given thermometer. The room temperature is dash. So the thermometer shows 25 degrees Celsius. So the room temperature is 5 degrees less than the temperature shown in the thermometer. So therefore, the room temperature is option D 20 degrees Celsius. If we can fill 2 bottles of water from 1 liter water, then we can fill 6 bottles of water from dash. 2 bottles, 1 liter water is required. Then for 6 bottles, we would require 1 into 3 because 2 into 3 is 6. Therefore, 1 into 3 is 3 liter water will be required. So the answer is option A 3 liters. Sita cycled from her home to park and then to the bookstore. How much distance did she cover? So from the home to the park it is 50 meter. And then from the park she goes to the bookstore, that is another 20 meter. So the distance that she could have covered is 50 plus 20, that is totally 70 meter. So the answer is option D 70 meter. What is the height of tree in meters shown here? We can see that the tree height is 35 meters. So which option will give us 35 meter? Option A 108 minus 73 is 35. So option A gives us 35 meter, which is the height of the tree. Option B 88 minus 22 is 66, which is not the height of the tree. And option C 64 minus 32 is 32, which is not the height of the tree. And option D 99 minus 65 is equal to 34, which is also not the height of the tree. The correct answer is option A 108 minus 73, that is 35 meter. Kiran weighs 48 kg, Preeti weighs 9 kg less than Kiran, Ritu weighs 2 kg less than Kiran, Nidhi weighs 7 kg more than Preeti. Who weighs the most? So let us calculate the weight of each person. Kiran weighs 48 kg, Preeti weighs 9 kg less. So 48 minus 9 would be 39. Ritu weighs 2 kg less than Kiran. So Ritu weighs 46 kg. 48 minus 2 is 46. Nidhi weighs 7 kg more than Preeti. So the weight of Nidhi would be 39 plus 7, that is 46. Who weighs the most? So it is obvious that Kiran weighs the most. Kiran is 48, Preeti is 39, Ritu is 46 and Nidhi is also 46. The answer is option A, Kiran. Anu baked 6 cakes. The weight of each cake is 3 kg. What is the total weight of all the cakes? Each cake is 3 kg. So 6 cakes would be 3 into 6. That is 18 kg. So the weight of all the cakes would be option A 18 kg. Ram bought 146 liters of paint. He used 89 liters of paint for his house. How much paint is left with him? To find the amount of paint that is left with him, we need to do subtraction. So 146 minus 89 will give the amount of paint that is left with him. 146 minus 89 is equal to 57. So the answer is option A, 57 liters. If it takes 9 cups of water to fill up the kettle and 3 cups of water to fill the teapot, how many teapots of water is needed to fill up the kettle? 9 cups make 1 kettle and 3 cups 1 teapot. So how many teapots is needed to fill up the kettle? 3 into 3 is 9. So therefore 3 teapots will be needed to fill up the kettle, as 1 teapot is equal to 3 cups. So the answer is option C, 3. A pumpkin weighs 5 kg and a school bag weighs 8 kg. Then how much is the school bag heavier than the pumpkin? School bag is 8 kg and pumpkin is 5 kg. So the school bag is 8 minus 5, that is 3 kg heavier than the pumpkin. So the answer is option B, 3 kg. What is the weight of an apple? 200 plus 100 plus 50 is 250 gram. 250 gram plus an apple plus 100 gram makes the balance equal. So therefore 350 minus 100 gram will be the weight of the apple. So 350 minus 100 is 250 gram. So the weight of the apple would be option D, 250 gram. How many liters of water can the bottle contain? We can see from the picture that the bottle can contain up to 7 liters. Therefore the answer is option D, 7 liters. 6 trees were planted at equal distance apart along one side of a straight road. The distance between the first tree and the third tree is 12 meters. What is the distance between the third tree and the sixth tree? The distance between the third tree and the sixth tree is 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is equal to 18 meters. The answer is option D, 18 meters. A small tin contains 2 liters of paint. A large tin contains 6 liters more paint than the small tin. Arun bought the given tins of paint. How many paint did he buy altogether? So we can see there are 2 small tins and 4 large tins. Small tin contains 2 liters of paint. Large tin contains 6 liters more. That is 6 plus 2, 8 liters of paint. So total paint that he has bought is 2 small tins, that makes 4 liters, and 4 large tins that make 4 into 8, that is 32 liters. 32 liters plus 4 liters make 36 liters. So the total amount of paint is option A, 36 liters. What is the length of the longest pencil? From the picture, we can see that the length of the longest pencil is 15 minus 1, that is 14 centimeter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Learn Today. Thank you.